I'm Kai. I'm your intuitive love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all authentic and high quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized na crystals na to. Aries! This is an Aries reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay? Okay, ang aga nito, nagkakaroon ng like disharmony sa relationship. And nagkaroon ng mga conflict, away, drama, unfair situation na nagdala ng disharmony sa soulmate connection na to. So right now, sabi ng feminine here is she's decided na ilagay sa tama ang kanyang focus right now. Kung like wala naman siyang control dun sa kung magkaiba sila ng decision ng masculine, sabi ng feminine here, then be it. Kumbaga, nilalagay niya yung attention, yung effort and energy niya sa bagay na may control siya at sa bagay na sabihin natin may magandang outcome in the future. Let's see kung ano meron sa mga Aries. Aries reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message, okay? It feels like yung reconnection, parang ang hirap. I don't know kung sinong nahihirapan na isuko yung pride and to reconnect. Okay? I feel ito yung taong nakagawa ng sabihin natin hindi tama or mali sa connection. So, pinag-iisipan niyang mabuti kung paano siya magre-reconnect or reconcile with the person na nasaktan sa connection na to. So, nagkaroon ng broken heart, disappointment, okay, sa connection na to na nagkaroon tuloy ng doubt sa mga long-term plans. And I feel, no, isa din sa reason is hindi makita ng feminine here saan na ba papunta tong relationship na to. Pero kahit ganon, is nandito pa rin siya, sige, ilaban ng connection, doon nagdadala ng overthinking, pero sabi niya, andyan pa rin siya to stay at tingnan niya kung magkakaroon pa ng magandang outcome tong relationship na to. Gusto pa rin ng mga Aries na i-keep tong connection na to, still expecting na magkaroon ng magandang outcome, harvest time, na kumbaga ang thinking mo, no, na kapag binigyan ng mas maraming effort, binigyan ng another chance, more time, mas maraming pagmamahal, magkakaroon ng magandang outcome tong relationship na to because gusto mo namang i-keep. But just be grounded na sometimes hindi yun yung truth. Because sometimes what other people don't appreciate na binibigay natin sa relationship, kahit dagdagan natin yan, parang ang hirap na ma-appreciate nila yung mga bagay na they don't currently appreciate right now, kahit dagdagan mo pa yan. Okay? So right now, nagiging shaky ngayon, no, yung foundation ng stable connection na to, nagdala ng sadness, feeling of sobrang lungkot. Okay, I feel nagkaroon ng distansya, breakup, ending. Sabi ng masculine ay parang ang hirap na rin i-workout ng connection na to. Though hindi pa naman totally nakakat yung connection na meron kayong dalawa, it's really challenging to move forward. Marami pa rin mga bagay na nagtatali sa inyong dalawa kung ano man yung mga kailangan yung isettle. Ang goal lang naman is matapos na yung like mga conflict, okay? At mag-start na yung healing sa relationship na to, okay? Let's see kung ano ang desisyon ng mga Aries sa connection na to. Okay. Let's see. The reason for the reading is totoo na pagmamahal ang in-offer ng mga Aries sa person nila. But then, naghahantay ka, no, na parang sabi mo, sa lahat ng mga effort na binigay mo, parang yung person mo is like, hindi sure, merong flaky energy na hot and cold. Minsan you feel na okay kayo, minsan parang nag-hold back siya ng offer of love. This is a very strong soulmate connection. You might be dealing with a Gemini, Capricorn, Libra, Virgo, Okay? Or any water sign. Kaya lang, recent past, naging shaky, nasubukan, no? Yung strength ng connection na to, ang daming naging challenges. Marami kang pinagpipray, Aries, na kung ano pa yung mga nakatago sa'yo, mga lies, gusto mo nang malaman lahat para makapag-start na rin yung healing and understanding mo kung bakit nangyari to, you know. Ang dami mong questions right now about this relationship, kung bakit nangyari ang mga nangyaring hindi maganda, okay? Right now, you're trying to detach yourself from anything unhealthy. Yung mga worries and anxieties, inilalagay mo sa tama yung focus mo. Okay? Dumating ka sa point where nagkaroon ng overthinking and you feel na hindi ka makaalis sa situation. But, alam mo yun, unti-unti, no, hanggang at this point of time is mas nagkakaroon na ng linaw yung mga bagay at nagkakaroon ka na ng mga solution kahit right now is alam mong marami pang pagdadaanan. Alright? Yung person mo, marami siyang unhealthy habits na hanggang ngayon pinaglalabanan niya. Sabi nga is, your person's fighting their own devil. May pumipigil. Okay? I feel kung yung person mo may problema sa mga bisyo, alcohol, substance, kung ano man yan, sugal, hanggang ngayon they're fighting their own devil, mga like getting involved with a third party, pagiging irresponsible, kung ano man yan, immaturity, nandun pa rin siya at nilalabanan niya yon. Okay? And for some of you, meron dito na nararamdaman kong hindi naman talaga planong magbago at all. Alright? So, meron kang mga fear and doubt kung makapaggawa ka pa ng tamang decision para sa life mo. Ang daming nangyari kasi na parang ang hirap tanggapin hanggang ngayon. Okay? Naghahanap ka pa rin ng truth at wisdom, you know, para mas maintindihan mo. You're asking for kung ano ba talaga yung mga nangyari. Okay? Parang mas komportable kang malaman na lang lahat para mas naiintindihan mo yung situation. Okay? In the next 3 months, kung may mga court case dito, you'll get your justice, you'll get your victory, suporta ng mga tao, okay? Though at some point, kung may mga batang involved dito, maaaring maapektuhan, maaaring may sad energy dito, na parang oo, nakuha mo yung justice mo, if may court case, kung if you decide to walk away from this person, but kumbaga a part of your heart still grieves dun sa loss nung connection kasi sayang nga naman. Lalong-lalo na kapag may kasal at batang involved. Okay, Aries? And that will be for the next 3 months. Any more clarification? Okay. Marami ka pa rin iniisip na communication, kaya lang sabi mo is para ano pa. Okay? Parang mas habol mo na lang dito is makuha mo yung justice sa court or divine justice na kung ano man is gumalaw na lang yung universe at yung universe na lang ang mag-serve ng karma na deserve nung taong nakasakit sa'yo. And that is the Aries reading for the month of June. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. And to balance your energy and to protect you from bad juju, meron tayong black tourmaline to balance your heart chakra and to attract harmonious relationship and loving relationship. We have the Madagascar rose quartz. And to attract abundance, money, and good business connections, we have the Brazilian citrine. PM nyo lang ako kung paano kayo magkaroon nito. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Aries!
Good news sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa ating bagong line of crystals. Ang isa sa ating pinagkakatiwalaan na healer at magaling mag-love spell na si Everlasting Alpha at kilala natin bilang Ate Joy ay naglabas na rin ng kanyang crystals. Huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na! Para sa lahat ng may problema sa reproductive health, para sa'yo ang Healing and Fertility Bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay may hinihiling na blessing na pinansyal, para sa'yo ang Abundance and Protection Bracelet na to. Elephants are known to be wise and strong. Ang Lucky Elephant Bracelet na to ay magdadala sa'yo ng good luck, vitality, and protection. Isa pang pangpaswerte, ang Lucky Money Bracelet na to ay mag-a-attract ng abundance at prosperity sa kung sino mang may suot nito. Ang lahat ng bracelet na to ay na-cleanse at naorasyonan ng ating Everlasting Alpha. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon nito.